everybody, today I'm going to be playing Cooking Fever. I just wanted to play it because I just wanted to show you guys that I just started playing it, so I can't be oh, I'm level 11, wow, I didn't even notice that. So your goal is 210, you have set, what? So he's asking for my coffee is ready. Oh, this is ready. The hot dog is ready. There you go, miss. Oh no, salad. So we're gonna go here. You want coffee? Here's your coffee. Oh my god, people, be patient. I can't. Okay, so this person wants that, and this person wants that. Like, really? Oh no, wait, he wanted ketchup. Just wait a little tiny bit. The woman gets me very, like... So this one is ready. Sir will be here and I'll do this as fast as I can. This is hard because now we got salad on the road. I need to give her order. Okay, that was a fail. That was a fail, guys, but I did it. I passed it. Cooking Fever, whoa, it's that 400, wow, I can upgrade this, totally. I can upgrade that, upgrade this. Oh no, I just wasted my whole entire money on like 2 things. Wow, dummy. So I just added more stuff. You have tomatoes. They go well with hamburgers. So these are the things. Let's get on to the things. So he wanted tomatoes. People, I can't serve you. Here you go. You want tomatoes. Here you go. Here's your drink. He wants this. Let's get this ready. Oh, you want coffee? He wants coffee. Oh wait, I'm just gonna add ketchup. This is for you. This is for you. This is for you. Oh my god, people, like, the one that's losing my patience right now is this one. So this is very hard. Don't tell me I failed this. I totally failed this. This is hard. I don't care about them. Okay. Did I do it? Oh, finally. Let's do it, guys. I know we can do it. Oh my god, I'm just gonna waste and I just got 80. Wow. I'm the dumbest. Well, the good thing I just got 3, so that's very good, and then I can move very fast now. Let's see. I like putting it all together first. I like mini pans here, and I want this to unlock too. Sir is gonna come up. So this. You want a hamburger? Sure thing. Oh, oopsie, I did something. Here you go. The only thing I need is the bun, and here you go, and here you go, and here you go. Okay, miss. This can be for you. Oh wait, let me sell this. Here for you. Do this. No, just hurry. One more customer, and I'm done. And I just need ketchup, and you serve this to her. We just need this, and this, and you're out of here. I know I can serve these people. Oh, these I don't know. These people are like. So he wants salad. There we go. There we go. We can do it. 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 So this, you, no, you. Really? Okay, so I was playing Roblox. Really sorry of me. Resume. Collect this. Wait, where can I put this? Someone was gonna eat that. Excuse me. Excuse me. So, what level am I on? Cola. 600. I only got 300. Oh my god. Ketchup. I already got ketchup. Upgrade. I don't have it. Let's just... So guys, I said that I was going to be done on level 814. So, bye. Love you.